truck you have been waiting for. Dealer installed 6-inch Fabtech lift kit, 20-inch fuel wheels wrapped in Toyo 35 inches empty tires, power running boards, professionally installed lift that rides better than stock. This truck won't last long. Hurry in. Price includes the following incentives. Not all customers may qualify. See dealer for details. $1,000 to 2021 National Retail Consumer Cash 21 CM1. November 30th, 2020 $500 to 2021 Retail Bonus Cash 21 CMA1. November 30th, 2020 $500, Chrysler Capital 2021 Bonus Cash 20 CM5. November 30th, 2020 $500, National Association of Realtors Employee Program, 2021, 38 CNY3. January 4th, 2021 $750 to 2021 National Non-Prime Retail Bonus Cash 21 CM1V. November 30th, 2020 price includes $16,667 in dealer added accessories.